guys, this is Bam of adobotech.net, and I have with me right now is the latest smartphone from Huawei. It's the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 edition. So we are going to unbox this latest smartphone. So before we do that, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below this video, and you can also visit our website, which is www.adobotech.net. You can also find us at Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so time to unbox the new Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 edition. Okay, so as you can see, at the front of the box, it says the Huawei 9 Prime 2019 edition. So there's no notch on the display. So it says here at the bottom, so you have the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, 128GB of RAM, a ROM, and 4GB of RAM. It's midnight black, it's a dual SIM, and it comes with free case. Okay, so time to open it up. Okay, here we go. So let's try to open the box. So inside the box, of course, the Huawei Y9 Prime. Okay, so you have here is the quick start guide and the warranty card. Of course, the free case. That looks nice. It's a jelly case, by the way. This you have the charger. It's Type-C cable and earphones. Okay, so the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 edition runs on Android Pie with EMUI 9.0. It comes with a 6.59-inch Full HD LCD display. That is nice. Okay, so as you can see, there's no notch at the top of the display. It has this full view screen. If you're looking for the selfie camera, of course, so all you have to do is open the camera and press it like that. And just like that, the camera pops up in seconds. So just like it's powered by a Kirin 710F octa-core processor with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. Like I said, inside it comes with a 4GB of RAM and 128 internal storage. It does support micro SD up to 512GB capacity. So let's check on the system about the phone. So as you can see, it says here the EMUI, or the device name, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So EMUI version, it's 9.0.01, and Android version, which is Android Pie 9. Okay. So the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 features this smooth back cover. Of course, the light bounce every time it hit the back, and it's also a smudge magnet, but the 3D curved design make it feel nice to hold on one hand to use it. So as you can see, it's actually nice to hold. Okay, so what else? At the right side, of course, you have the power button and the volume control, and like I said earlier, so you have the SIM slot at the top and the selfie camera. So at the bottom, so you have the 3.5 jack, the microphone, type C connector, and the speaker grill. So at the back, it comes with a triple camera. So as you can see right here, it comes with a triple camera setup with a 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel triple camera sensor. So it also comes with a fingerprint scanner at the back. Okay, so this is the new Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 edition. So